What is going on, guys? My name is Ghost21 here, and today we're going to use a brand new video. So basically today I'm going to be rebuilding a random team. It's basically I didn't do a fantasy draft, so they have all the original players, and I'm gonna try to rebuild that team to win a championship. Pretty basic, right? So let's see what team we get. Portland Trail Blazers. You know, I can work with that. Oh no, I actually wanted to turn off injuries, but it's fine. It's fine. I can do it right here. So we're gonna go to options of MyLeague teams. So you guys can see I don't cheat at all. Turn off injuries, then back. Alright. Here's our roster. Damian Lillard, CJ McCollum, Nurkic, Shabazz Napier. Shabazz Napier is actually 78 overall. Ed Davis. Alright, so this team, the only good players, really, like, decent players, are these three right here. You see them? Right here. So, let's start off by seeing if we can get a better shooting guard. JJ Redick, no. Chris Middleton, no. Bobby Portis, no. Hassan Whiteside. I would like Hassan Whiteside, but I actually want a good. Wait a second. Hold on, what? Ooh, it's a high trade value. Hold up. So what if I do this and view picks, give. No. I'm gonna take unpredicted and unpredicted. See what we can get. Dario Saric. Hold up. We're gonna negotiate with this trade. And we're gonna see if we can add pick. No. We're gonna see if we can add someone like. We don't really need Shabazz Napier. Holy crap. Whoa. Hold up. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, what do you mean by that? Because I'm not really good with this type of stuff. Like, trust me, I'm really bad with this stuff. So we're over salary cap. Okay. Wow, we need to get rid of some of these basic players. Like, who has a really high contract? Okay, I want to find someone. We're not gonna get Giannis. We're not gonna get LeBron. We actually might be able to get Gordon. So I'm gonna add CJ McCollum. Jacob Park, GM. I love your current roster, and you think we are changing. I love our current roster, and think we're. Alright, also, I see you. Now, we're gonna give you. Is that good? Alright. I'll add another pick. Dude, you really think. Give me this guy. We need. Okay. CJ McCollum. Evan Turner. Who can we get? I just wanted like a. Oh my god, and of course we're getting notifications. Kemba, but we already have a point guard. But he could play shooting guard. Wait, I got an idea. I got a real good idea. So let's see how high Hassan Whiteside's trade value is. Not that high. Kemba Walker has a very high trade value. So we're going to make this trade. Okay. We're gonna go to our trade finder and we're gonna see what we can get for Kemba Walker. Oh crap! I forgot you can't do that. I hate that. Okay, so we got a point guard and a shooting guard. How do we make you wish? Oh no, I don't want to trade you then. I want to go to roster and make you edit player. We're gonna make you a shooting guard, Kemba, okay? Oh my god, man, of course. I don't want notifications right now. Okay, so we got point guard and shooting guard. Decent. Can we upgrade Ed Davis and Nicholas Batum? I would really love that. I can't trade you because you just got here. So I can't. So Ed Davis. We need a better power forward. We're probably not going to get anybody good. But I know a way that's even better. Alright, so we're going to go. We're not going to make. No, we're probably not going to make. We're not going to find, like, some ridiculous. We just need a nice center. Al Horford, I already tried them. They said no, we're cheap contender. Now, a person I'm thinking right now, it's not you, is actually Vucevic would be nice. No, not Dirk. No, Jokic. Ooh, we could get him, but I was thinking Drummond. Okay, let's see if we can get Andre Drummond. Let's try Shabazz Napier, but we're gonna give them top 3 because we're only doing 1 season, so this really doesn't matter to me. And we're gonna give you a second. Will you do that? Legal trade the Blazer over salary cap. What does that even mean, dude? That means I have to do this type of trades? Alright. Let's see if we can get Damian Lillard. I'm probably gonna get like some nice, but I don't want to get rid of him. Just want to see who we can get. Hold up, guys. Let's try to get John Wall. No, who's a better? If we can get Giannis. I want to get a Giannis real bad. Okay, roster. So this is what how do you view it? Okay, I feel like a noob because I really don't know how to do. Who can we get for Nurkic? That's my question. Trade finder. Need a nice, better center. 81. Need a better center. Jason Terry, no. Robin Lopez, no. Dude, who, man? Who? Okay, I don't want to trade that trade set. You guys probably hear that noise, yeah. Alright. Guys, okay, Nurkic, Harkless. We're probably gonna get the same type of trades. Okay, all we need is a legit. Okay, look. We need a better power forward. So we're gonna try you two. Let's see if we can get a nice power forward. We can upgrade that in a little, but I need a nice power forward. We could eventually get Alfred Payton for a backup, but not right now. Ooh. Craig Monroe is not bad. He can play power forward. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna go to roster and make you. I wanna make you. No. Alright. I'm gonna make you. This is how you do it. You gotta go to edit player. We're gonna make you a power. Or not a point guard, a power forward. Alright, so now we got a nice Greg Monroe. Small forward position. We can't really. He can be our backup. Who can we get rid of? Because we can't trade him. Because. I like Nurkic. Alright, let's just do with this team. We'll have a lot of trades come in eventually, so we're just gonna see how this is. Made a roster change, just rotation manually. Oh, whoa, no. Swap minutes and move players. You, Nicholas Batum, swap minutes, and then Greg Monroe. Power forward, swap minutes, and move players. There. Save changes and exit. There we go. Now we're gonna simulate due date. Okay. Alright. I think I know why. Let's. Oh, can we? No. I need to go to detailed view. I need to go to the. Where's that? We need to switch you up. We fire you, yes. And then click on here, AAC. Ooh. Oh, come on. B plus. That's what we're all gonna get. And then head coach. Nah, we're gonna have to fire you. Come here, ABB. We're gonna study for 4 years. Alright. Now click on. No. Okay, click on edit staff. Never mind. So that's just a quick change. Simulate due date now. See if this coaches can help us just a little bit. We lost by 1 point to the Phoenix Suns. We're probably gonna lose most of our games. Backup. I would accept that trade. The thing is, they only have small forwards coming at us. Pick point guards. Best available. There. All positions, best available. Automate. Yes. That's just annoying. Play the Kings twice. That's what I wanted to do. Hold on. Stop simulating. Proposed trade. We're gonna have to go pick ourselves up you. How are we gonna get you? We need you really bad. So we're gonna get rid of Nurkic. Who's our backup shooting guard? Pat Covington. I'll do it. 22 days. Dang it. It was Batum saying he came with him. Ah, man. Are you gonna do this trade? So, yes. We do this trade. No way. Well, how are we over the salad crap by that much? Right, whatever. We're just gonna have to have a bad team. Let's just sim all the way down. Let's see. Wait, never mind. Wait, no. It's probably not gonna work. But I really want Chris Tops. Like, really bad. Like, really bad. Like, I really want Chris Tops. Porzingis, so we're gonna get rid of you. See who's up there. If we can get a nice center or a nice power forward, we can move Craig Monroe back to center. Ooh, Willie Cauley Stein. No, one Stevenson is doo-doo. I'm not gonna have you playing. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're probably not gonna make the playoffs. And if we do, we're gonna be the 8th seed. Oh. I used to go to the G League. Wow, that's sad. Rajon Rondo. No, you took our picks. Whoa. No way. Hold up. Did we just beat the Warriors and the Spurs? We just beat the Warriors. Oh. Gosh. We almost beat the Rockets. Beat Anthony Davis. T-Book. Nope, I want D-Book. No, I'm not getting rid of Kemba. Kemba's my guy. We won by 2 points. Okay, I don't want Kent Bazemore, dude. Decline. Boy! Decline. I don't like how we're getting. Oh my god. Now people want Nurkic. Yeah. No, I just want to get these trades over with. And I want Kristaps Porzingis. Kristaps Porzingis. Please. Oh my god, no. We got the OKC, we lose Russell Westbrook, my favorite player, and we lost to. And we beat the Warriors again by 1 point. Oh my god, we beat the Portland. We beat Golden State by 1 point. We beat the Celtics! They didn't even score 90 points. Clippers, bruh. How did we lose to the Clippers? And the Grizzlies? The Mavericks? The Rockets will lose to. The Spurs were going to lose to. Yeah, this is where our record just goes. And this team of the season, man. Steph Curry wins MVP. Rookie of the Year goes to Ben Simmons. Rudy Gay wins 6th Man of the Year. Andre Drummond wins 2-1 with the 1 Defensive Player of the Year. Chris Dunn wins Most Improved. Of course, Steve Kerr wins Coach of the Year. Not surprised. Giannis. Hey, Russell Westbrook's up there. Let's go. Ooh, Damian Lillard on NBA second team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All defensive, maybe someone. No, wouldn't have. All right, nice. We're probably not even in the playoffs. We're not in the playoffs. Dang it, dude. Frick, man. No. Don't let the Warriors win. The Celtics won. Al Horford. 11 rebounds. I just want to see who was leading our team. To be honest, Damian Lillard doing his thing. Kemba Walker. 18. Nurkic. Greg Monroe. Nicholas Batum. It's another fail on the books, but hope you guys did enjoy this epic fail. One day I'll win the championship, and I know I will. But if you guys do like these videos, please make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new. Because once we get 85 subs, I'm gonna be able to make a lot more of these videos. And my name is Ghost21 here, and like I said, if you like these videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.